Hello, Loki, Missy, and you, Sylvester. Hello. That's all of you in this wonderful catio. All three of you together in this wonderful catio that Nicola put together. Adam did help, but I wasn't here at the time, but so hey, are you ready for your close-up? Sylvester, you were getting big now, aren't you? Hey, baby. Excuse me then. So, hello, and welcome to the Celtic Druid channel. I feel like a James Bond villain. So today is the 22nd of August. It's my birthday. You want to go, don't you? Oh, gosh. Oh, come on then, Loki. Don't put the camera over. Come on. No. Are you having fun, boy? Are you stealing my thunder? I've just been assaulted. You saw that. You're a witness, right? 22nd of August today. It's my birthday on Saturday. I'll be 55. Goodness sake. And I've lived to tell the tale. I hope you're all well. Come here, Loki. Yeah, so I arrived in Poole on Monday. No, Sylvester, no, don't. What a pleasant distraction you are. It's picking to rain. Can you feel it? No, of course you can't. You're just putting your leg. So upcoming is on Saturday, on my birthday. I'm planning to go to Monkey World, which has been in the pipeline for a little while. You're a very curious cat, aren't you, Sylvester? So, and thank you for appearing in my videos, making your presence felt. All three of you together. Brilliant, isn't it? Yeah. This wonderful little catio. It's much cooler today though. So Monkey World on Saturday. Yeah, like I said, I arrived in Poole on Monday, the 19th of August. I had a nice little train journey. I prefer the train because I think National Express, though good for some, was a drag for me. And I got here by 20 to 3 in the afternoon. And a bit cheaper as well. Off peak. So yeah, Monkey World on Saturday. It'll be recorded on Saturday, but it won't be uploaded because it takes a little while. I'm just chilling out today. Nicola's gone to Tesco to get some milk because Adam smashed a lot. Well, he didn't. I don't even literally smashed. He smashed hell out of it when he was drinking it. And Loki thinks he's Spider-Man. Let's call up there. Well, don't jump up on here. Oh no, that's Sylvester. It's going to be hard to tell between the difference between the two of you, isn't it? Right. So look out for that then. Obviously, it's not going to be uploaded on the day. 55. You know, they say age is just a number. Come here, you. But it doesn't come in its own. I mean, I wear glasses to read. I've got greying hair, even though I've been told I look younger than 55. But then what's a 55 supposed to look like? Come here, you little scene stealer. Yeah, I have aches and pains. Ooh, felt that cold there then. I quite like it out here. It's good. What do you think of it? What do you think of the little catio? You sniffing my glasses, boy? Hey, don't. I only want to do in the shot. Alright then, so I'll leave you in the capable hands of Sylvester and Loki. Watch out, watch this space. for Monkey World next. Spider cat, does whatever a spider cat does. Bye for now.